Hey again, everyone. You know what? I thought as a bonus, let's take a look around my workshop. So let's do that, shall we? First off, the work area. Now, when my wife and I bought this house, she saw this room and said, "This is going to be your modeling room." And I did not argue with her. So we got our cutting mat, all of our brushes, tools, files, etc. Paint storage. That's my close-up visor. We got my lights, got my magnifying light and two twitchy lights. Got some more magnifiers, some more paint storage and stuff. That's my camera mount. Second shelf is more equipment storage. This is for dioramas, so I got my putties, flock, just milliput, all that sort of stuff. This shelf up here has a few little things, Legos and toys. So that's the Lego V8 Interceptor. And this is the first ship and bottle I've ever built. And this right here is a Roman merchant ship. Up here are some projects that I will be working on soon. They're old projects that need to be disassembled and rebuilt. These are a couple of art awards I won in science fiction convention at Conglomeration. That's Bob, the Lego Dragon. And let's pan back here a little bit. So that's the work area. And if we go this way, you'll see some of my display space. So let's go take a look. We'll start on this shelf up here. So we got some of the small space battleship Yamato kits. This is a piloted V1 bomb called the Richthofen or Rischenbacher or something like that. Anyway, they didn't make many of these. They only went into testing. But I've always had this thing for experimental weird aircraft. So that's one. That is a working Da Vinci clock. It's a swinging pendulum clock. Over here are some of the rare earth metal kits. I've got a tank, I've got the Falcon, an X-Wing, a Corsair, and the lunar lander. Back there is what happens. Let me see if I can reach that. A little bit of shaky cam, hang tight. There we go. Here we go. This is what happens when a ship and bottle fails catastrophically. This is a ship in a hurricane. I pulled the lines too tight on that one and ending up breaking the masts. So there is another one of my ships in bottle. And right up here is the Disney version of 20,000 Leagues Nautilus. Right above that's my Hobbit clock. Very important. And right over here is my model of the USS Montrose, a World War II attack cargo vessel, AK or PA. This is what brought the landing craft to the shore. So this one's modified. I've added nets, little near-hit explosions, some water. I even got crew in the landing craft. And there's crew on the deck. There's that one. And we're going to go down a shelf. This is the Gigantics Rampaging Scorpion. Now this one actually won an award at Wonderfest, and I was really happy with that. This is built pretty much out of the box. The only change are the two cars. The box had two 1970s cars, and I wanted to keep with the 1950s look and feel, so I got an Alfa Romero and I think that's a Bel Air. But everything else is stock out of the box, painted. Let me move a light here. There we go. This is a little better. A little harsh light, but it's good. And then this I made special as a display piece, so that matches the newspaper that was on the box art. And we continue on. We have the great Battleship Yamato, Space Battleship Yamato. One of my favorite shows when I was a kid. And there's that. And there's the Cosmo Zero that goes with it. And then here, oops, hold on. I'm going to have to remove the plastic on this one. Oh. Can I do this one-handed? That is my kitty trying to get into one of the cabinets. There we go. This is Tayama's V8 Interceptor, the Mad Max version. So, got all of the extras in there. I even did up. Here, move this a little bit so you can see some of my interior work. I did up the inside of the door frame with all the equipment that was in the movie. Tore up the seat. That's a really nice piece. I'm very happy with that one. Even the windshield's all dusty and good to go. And that one also won a Merit Award at Wonderfest. This is Dorothy. She's one of my figure kits. Figure kits are fun. I enjoy doing figure kits. And then we go up. And right here is a Viking ship that I really need to finish. Still haven't finished that one. Got a lot to work on there. Right next to it is the NCC 1701 Enterprise and the Botany Bay. That's the Polar Lights kit. And another Merit Award winner from Wonderfest is the Space Battleship Yamato in a bottle. That was not an easy project, let me tell you. And right next to it is the Ventnor Republic Star Destroyer. Cruiser. That one turned out really well. I enjoyed working on that. And then we're going to go, there's my other Da Vinci clock. And then over there, that's the window. That is my little 3D printer. That is a Da Vinci Junior 1.0. This is a great little starter printer. I love that thing. Some stuff for gaming. There's some more Lego. That's the Doctor Who Lego set with Daleks and angels. There are the knights that I worked on. And there's our most recent project, the Babylon 5 Star Fury. Right above that is a project coming up. I'm going to be working on some Necromunda games for gaming. And then, right down there, there's our Hanabao 2 diorama. And you see I've got all of this space to add more models. So I've got a lot of space to fill in. Oh, this is fun. This is a little project I'm working on. This is a build your own solar system. It's a mechanical solar system. When it's done, it'll have a little motor and it'll run and All the planets will circle at their proper speeds. It comes as a mail order, so every month I get a few pieces and I build it, like a subscription. This was made for me by my mother for Christmas. It is a miniature art studio, which is pretty darn awesome. And then we got our boats for Cruel Seas war game. The Germans, a tanker, cruise ship, cargo ship, tanker, whatever you want to call it for the game, and then some British Vespers. And finally, this dude. This dude was a flea market find for a whole $1. And he's going to be another project. I am going to turn him into a bedside lamp. He will reach over and grab his little thing here. And I am going to make his eyes and the dangly light up. And then I'm going to paint all of these green areas. These are going to be in a fluorescent glow-in-the-dark paint. I'm going to repaint him all completely, make him more realistic. But I'm going to set him up so that when you hit the little switch back here to make his mouth close, his eyes and bait antenna will light up as a night light. So that'll be fun. So there we go. That is my whole workshop. Let's swing around here, make everyone nice and seasick. Take a look at the whole shop from the door. Oh, that is a Cara cat. Cara is my mascot. She takes care of things when I'm not around. See, I got lots of display shelves, lots of room for more models. But I did forget to show you possibly the most important part of my hobby. That's this door right here. This door hides the stash. Bum, 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 bum. All sorts of fun stuff in here. The Hood, the Bismarck, Missouri, another ship in a bottle. One of my favorite spacecraft of all time, the Voyager. There's a Humvee back there. There's some alien stuff. I don't even know what that is. Get out of there, Pixie. There's X-Wing and a TIE Fighter and a Pixie Cat. Pixie, we're not climbing in the stash. Okay, no, we're not climbing in the stash. Let's get this out of the way. We got the glow-in-the-dark interplanetary UFO. We got a Hellcat. We got a, I don't know, that's a bomb right there. We got a Fletcher. We got a Stuka. We got some more sci-fi goodness up here. Got an atomic cannon. We got Jupiter 2. And then even up there, we got some more kits hiding way up here. We can't even get to. So, as you can see, I've got lots of project space, lots of things to do. So, as always, until next time, hope you have a great day. Like and subscribe my videos, and as always, keep on building. See you later.